Ano po ma-extinguish o mawala yung co-ownership, Kuya Mark?
Ang co-ownership mawala. Number one, judicial, meaning dadaan sa court, judicial or extrajudicial, yun nagkasundo kayo, pipirma kayo, judicial or extrajudicial partition. Kung pagkati-hatian ninyo ang property, nagkasundo kayo magkapatid, magpirmahan kayo ng extrajudicial settlement, wala ng co-ownership. Or kung hindi kayo magkasundo, dadaan sa court, the court decides based sa law and evidence paano yung pagkati-hatian ng property, yan, yun ang tinatawag na judicial settlement of the estate. Yun yung number one. So, in that case, mawala ng co-ownership. Second, mawala ang lupa o yung building. For example, ng building nasunog. Yan, wala ng co-ownership kasi nawala na yung property. Third, yung merger. For example, one co-owner, binili niya yung shares ng other co-owners. Kasi siya yung pinakamayaman, yung ibang mga kapatid. So, binayaran niya, binabuyback niya, binayaran niya yung shares ng ibang kapatid. So, in that case, hindi na matawag na co-ownership kasi binayaran niya ang share ng ibang kapatid. So, extinguishment yan ng co-ownership. Or, for example, expropriation, kunin ng gobyerno yung property. So, in that case, mawala na yung co-ownership.